Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
India's imports of crude oil from Russia touched a new high of 1.64 million barrels per day in March and is now double the purchases from Iraq, the nation's traditional top oil supplier. The Bank of England is looking to build a team of as many as 30 people to develop a central bank digital currency dubbed the Britcoin. The dollar strengthened to finish last week after data showed an increase in jobs in the world's largest economy last month, suggesting that the Federal Reserve may have to raise interest rates next month.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, Japan's Consumer Confidence Index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers Survey Current will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers Survey Outlook at 0500 hours GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 23:01 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.